What's up? Danny Highstalker with Colin Inc. helping people do their business better. Now, we just did a video on the JPL Vision Plus, but JPL sent me another one. They are saying that they have updated some firmware, so I'm going to go ahead and plug this guy in and see if there's a difference. And yes, right now I'm utilizing the Vision Plus webcam to film, as well as the microphone for this video. So stay tuned, hooking this guy up, and coming right back. Alright, so I'm back. I have the new JPL Vision Plus that was sent to me. I plugged it in, hooked it up, and this is what it looks like and sounds like. Again, I'm using the microphone that's built into the Vision Plus to record the audio for this video. Take a look at it. I won't know until I go back and look at the two side by side, but it looks better. I think the video quality has improved in terms of the resolution. But you guys take a look. Maybe I'll get our video guru guy to kind of try to do a side by side or one of those split screens. But anyway, here it is, the JPL Vision Plus with updated firmware. Another webcam option that's available for under $100 for anyone and everyone that's out there looking for webcams. If you like this type of video, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment below, let us know what you'd like to see, and we'll do our best to make it. Thanks.